Tephritid Fruit Fly Fun Facts. With wings like stained glass and a head like fire, the fruit fly dances across the leaf, a tiny ambassador of the forest's unseen dramas. These flies are known for their ornate wing patterns and vibrant coloration, which often serve as camouflage or mimicry to deter predators. Found in tropical and subtropical regions, often near fruiting plants. Females lay eggs inside fruit, where larvae develop, making them important, and sometimes destructive, agricultural pests. Some species, like Bactrocera dorsalis, oriental fruit fly, are notorious for damaging crops such as mangoes, guavas, and papayas. However, not all tephritids are harmful. Some are even used in biological control to manage invasive weeds.